it's probably going to be very important that this is square. I know, I've done something like this before. But this is a new way to do it, and I just thought of it late last night. And I want to see if it's going to work, so I'm going to make a video either way. I'm going to leave an inch sticking over so it hooks over the side of the frame. And what I'm tracing here will be the amount that I leave on. I know that the how-to video is long and boring, but you need one of these devices. It's very handy. My next step is to put a pivot point right here, so that these can move freely back and forth. I'm going to use 2 pieces of 1/4-inch steel rod that I cut with the angle grinder. For these 2 holes, I've set the depth to stop about 1/8 inch from the bottom. I added a thumbtack on each side so that I can snap a rubber band over it. And I also added additional holes so that you can size it to whatever type of material you're using for your frame. This definitely seems to work for a proof of concept, but I don't think it's ready to revolutionize the industry just yet. One nice feature that it seems to have is that you can use multiple rubber bands to adjust how tight you would like the device to clamp the miters. But I think I'll stick with my existing picture frame clamp. But you never know until you try. Thanks a lot for watching.